All right. Bye, guys. And that's how you leave like a jerk off. And that's how you leave like a jerk off. Taco place. Anyway, that was my boys. That was a fun little a vlog detour or whatnot, you know. Thems are my friends, and I've been camping with them and other things, and it's a good time. It's a good time, and I'm glad I got to see them, and I'm glad I got to be a total jerk. As always, vlogs. What a weird life. What is that place? Yumpling. Sounds like a dumpling place. All right. Empanadas. Yada yadas. Good Lord, ma'am, you are a hottie. Hot damn. Alright, we'll make this turn. Just like so. Windy. Why am I so incoherent today? Like, I'm literally just like, I can't even think straight. I don't know. That vlog, that Zeus vlog is probably like just silly. I like literally just like, oh, I don't know what to tell you, I don't know what to say. Oh boy, this guy is going around. I'm like jaded, bro. Mad jaded. Come on, let's go up the hill onto the bridge, leaving Queens. I don't wanna be here anymore. I wanna go back to Brooklyn. I wanna go home. I don't wanna be here anymore. I wanna go back to Brooklyn. I wanna go home. And then we take it easy. We do a speedy, and then we go to easy. You know, we take it easy. No need to go fast. No need to be jerky. It's okay to be a cool guy. What the fuck am I talking about? What am I even talking about? Nobody even knows. Nobody even knows. All right, ladies and gents, the madness continues. There we go. We're back. All right, so continuation of the most beautiful vlog in the world. And I could have just gone straight and done it that way, but I'm gonna go to the left and I'm gonna explore. Just a couple of extra turns. This guy's obviously going straight. I'm not exactly sure where he's going. Perhaps he's turning, perhaps he's not. Hard to tell. I'm definitely turning. 100%. Take a little right here. Is much better than fucking McGinnis could ever be. I love these vlogs, man. There's no rhyme or reason. There's no crime or punishment. Good Lord. Everything okay there? Big champ. Ooh. Baby Jesus stuff. I like it. More baby Jesus stuff. I like it. What is happening? Gotta be some sort of Italian thing. Look at this. Perfect. And we are right next to... Wait, do we want to go on the BQE? Not particularly, although it could be quick and fun. Quick and fun. Oh, almost got blown over there. Not necessary. Come on, green light. Come on, baby. Rotro. We got a motorcycle rider. What does my boy got? Nice. Cute. I think it's an R3. I would imagine. R3. That's what I thought. I could tell by the skinny weenie rear tire. And yeah, those chicken strips, I mean, whatever. It's fine. Nothing wrong with chicken strips. I'm gonna give him room. Give my boy room. I'm not gonna scare him. I'm not gonna frighten my boy. G-Money. A little bit of a cutie there. Sweet bananas. Bro, you can pass them, you know. Funny. Noobs. Yep, sorry. You've had the way to go the whole time. Why did you wait? Oink. Oink, oink, oink. All right, kids. Bye.